Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be showing everyone how to use Scratch.com and make a site for Scratch.com, because I actually don't make the sites. Well, I do make some of them, as you can see there, but mostly a lot of you guys make them. And so I wanted to show you how to do that, and how to use all the different modules that I have made, and how to use it just normally. So let's start with the basics. So first of all, if this for whatever reason did not help you, I mean there is this question mark button that you can click to search how to make a site. How to search, it'll tell you how to find, and then you can go to how to make a site. So this is the button you want to use, or the thing you want to use when you're making a site. So let me actually no. So every day I will choose a site and put it up here, and then you can click on this little button that you can see is a little darker than the background, so it sticks out a little more, and you can click on it. It'll take you to the site that I've chosen for today. Nice site. So now so this up here, not really that interesting. I mean, yeah, you can say different things to it. So, and then you can type in exit to exit. So, also, I will have news here and updates here. The difference is updates are like to the game, news is either to the game, but like not in the game yet, or just outside, something I'm working on or doing. Now, here is where people are really confused for whatever reason. So, notes and credits. This is where all the sites are stored. So you can take one like this one. It's made by this person. And you can go in, so you can copy it or memorize it, or you can just look from here and then like type it in. So .com, and this person did not put a background, as you can tell from a link. And then the newest site, also made by me, shows off a new feature that I've just added, is the scrolling, so you can scroll through sites now. So that's a cool feature. So now that you guys know how to use this, let me show you how to make your own site so people can see it. So first, you're going to want to go over here to the remix button. If you're wondering why you don't see this or this, it's because I have an add-on called Scratch add-ons, or plugin, whatever you want to call it. And the reason I'm using Bing is for Microsoft Rewards. So, anyway, so you click Remix, and that will take my project and basically make a copy of it. So you can delete this and type in like my site or something. I don't know. Doesn't matter. You can type in whatever. I'm gonna put test just to say that this is not actually supposed to be legit. So let's go here. So you can scroll down and look through all the sites that are added. So this could be technically an example of how you make a site, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to make a new site. Actually, let's just go ahead and just make it. So if you're making your own site and not doing what I'm doing, so you go down here, and also this won't look like yours exactly because I have the HD upload and paint right there for reasons. I don't exactly remember what it used to look like. So then you'll be on this blank canvas with costume 1. So change this to whatever you want your site to be. Example, something like that. I don't know how to abbreviate example. I'm gonna make the X capital for no reason. And then you can just do whatever you want. You can say, like, hi, I'm cool. I don't know. And then, like, and yeah. So you can make your own sites here and draw different stuff. Maybe make a little circle that's red. Or maybe purple. Now, the thing now, hold on, let me move it there. That's what I normally do when I port everyone's projects over. So now when you go and shoot the thing, so exe.com, so if I type .com, so you see this, oh, if I typed it wrong, it's exe dot com. Okay, there we go. And then also, since the new update added this little hotbar thing, you are supposed to like take it down, make sure your website goes below the bar. So test your website, always test your website before sending it to me. I would like a finished site, not some, and I really, as long as it's scratch appropriate, I probably will add it. So now, let's move on to buttons. So, as you can see, there's already a bunch of buttons here, and if you want to use any of these, you technically can. All you have to do is, well, follow these instructions. But I'm going to show you how to make your own, and yeah. So, let's just say we want a hidden button. That's another polka dot. So let's just make a little thing, and let's name it polka. So it's purple just like all these. Now, what you're going to do is right click on this one, duplicate it, or you can do any of these, but this one's empty, so I'm going to use it. You can bring it down here. You can bring it down here. Now type in the name of your button, the site it's going to show up on. Oh, hold up, I need to make that capital. And then the site it's going to take you to. Now, if it's a button type 2, forgot what the button ID does. Hold on, let me I'm forgetting. Okay, so if it's 2, set button ID 2. ID. Okay, so ID is 1. Okay, so what's ID do? Button ID. Hold on. I'm figuring out I'm decoding my project real quick. I forgot what button ID does. ID 1. Okay, so if site is cookies.com, the ID is equal to 1, so that will make this go up. Okay, I see. So, hold up. Let me just make sure. Let me see. It's add number. If ID equals, okay, so yeah, it's just checking if the site equals that and then the ID equals that, then it'll continue. So, say I wanted to, let's see, so let's make it just a button type 1, and let's make it go to, okay, and then, let's see, let me show my mouse, oh, can't, so I think that's gonna be, so, 0, 0, 50, negative 50, I'm gonna say. That's just me eyeballing it, so if I get it wrong, don't care. Okay, now exe.com. I think that's it. Yes, it is. Oh, I was that was a good eyeball. Oh, that was not okay. That came out weird but not weird. I don't know. Exe. It didn't sound how I wanted it to sound. So that's the little button, but it's also hidden at the same time, so nobody will know that that's there. Technically, they will, but you could make it blue and make it blend into the background, or, yeah, and so, now let's make another button, for another, purpose thing, so, button, let's just say, let's have this for a button, and actually, I'll make my own. No, let's change the color a bit. That. There's our beautiful button. I really don't care what you send me, guys. It's as long as you're creative with it. So we've got a beautiful button, and I need to give it a name. Betty. That's its name, Betty. Just got Betty the button, and I already spelled Betty wrong. And then it's gonna show up on exe. Now let me go and check on how I did it before with the cookies dog. Okay, I just set it to 0. Okay, so if you're making something to do with the variable or what I'm about to show you, do what I'm about to do. Just set this to 0. And then I think it could stay right there. Button type is chew. ID. But so I think the button ID can be 1 because I don't have 2 buttons that are this type. So then, now, after you program that to do that, go to variable. So, site loaded exe.com and set it to 000. Place at 0, negative 100, I'll say. And then duplicate this one. Let's just, for the sake of this video, let's change the number up 55 on site exe.com. ID is 1. So now let's restart. I want to save it so badly, but I'm probably going to end up deleting this afterwards. So exe.com. So yep, there's our numbers, and if I click on this, it gives me 55. Now there's a hold on, this might take a second. I can make it go up though. Hold up. Variable, let's make it go up by 5. Okay. Oh, what have I done? I've broken it. Okay, hold on, let me reload it. What have I done? Did I break it? 5. Okay, yeah, so there we go. It's working. Never mind. I may have to, I know it's in beta right now, but it's not the most reliable thing. So basically, if it gets to, let's see. So if I make it go to, 9999, and it won't work. Huh. Interesting. I don't know what's happening. Well, yeah, you get the gist of it. That's how I made cookies.com. Let me show you a better example. So there's variable. It goes up when you click the cookie. It's cookie clicker. That's basic. So now let's go over to here. So this is interesting. So there's 3 different things here. So if you don't want this little variable right here, the site, to show up, then this is what you want. So you'll duplicate this and put in your site name, exe.com. Wait, hold up, never mind. Don't listen to whatever I just said. That's a lie. Wrong one. It's this one. So I don't. Yeah, so it's this one. So now whenever I search up exe.com, it will hide that variable. Now, what this one does is it just doesn't let you access the site. So let me say like tree.com. So let's reload this real quick. So tree.com, it won't let me search it up, even though it does exist. But if I go here and I say exe.com and then click on this button, it does take me to tree.com, and I've found a few glitches. This video is really going to help me with the development of this. Yeah, and then, oh, last thing in there, you've got your scroll. So this one's not really got a tutorial yet. It's not really that much. It's not that useful yet. I mean, it is, but you can just go put your site exe.com and then how far you want it to be before it has to stop scrolling. It's like 50. Actually, let's make it 100. 50. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, 150. So exe.com. So you can scroll now, but as you can see, the variable buttons don't scroll. Variable and the buttons do not scroll. That is not a feature yet, and I'm still working on it. So as you can see, I scroll to 150 and it's at 158, so that's another bug or something. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's see here. Here, I'll just, so that should, oh, I see the problem. Okay, that's why. It wasn't it was because I was on the wrong sprite. So the site will go to 150. Why? So if you want to test it, just set it to like a really high number, then scroll down to how far you want it to be able to scroll. Then look at this number, copy it, and then paste it over here, and it will. That's how far it will go down. Last thing is the mouse. This is an older button system that nobody uses anymore, but basically what it would do was check if the mouse was clicking, and then if it was touching this color on that side, then it would do something. And then this is a piano thing that I made that was in version 1, and I really need to take that down because, well, yeah. And also, I want to take that out and just put it to, why is it even like that? I don't even know why it was like that. But anyways, yes, so that's what you can do with that. Then the last thing, I think we're about to find out, so text engine, okay, yeah, so this is just big, yeah. In the future, I will have a music system to where you can add your own music to play on your site, not as my default sites, because, yeah, nobody wants to have some weird Rickroll music playing, but that is it. I think, yes, that is everything on, oh, hold up, nope, never mind, that is not it at all. So after you're done with your project, I want you to go to instructions. Hold up, so go to instructions, delete everything. Go to notes, oh, there's nothing in notes, so delete everything in instructions. Then you will go, we'll go site name, and then type in your name, or the site name, then the mods used, or modules, so then you'll type like button, so that's just, or you can just go like button 1, so I only used 1 button, but I didn't, I used 2 buttons to know that find 2 buttons. This helps me a lot. If I don't add your button to your site on mine, it's because I did not know that you had a button, because normally I won't check to test your sites. Then I'll have like a variable. What did I use? Scroll site hide. Var hide. Oh. What else did I use? So I used scroll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check inside. So no, wait, there's nothing here then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, yeah, but I added the 2 buttons together, so then, yeah. So that should be everything. Wait. Yeah. Wait, no. No. I do want, since there's 2 separate, site things for the variables, if you use the variables for whatever reason, because they are very buggy. So you'll go there, add, and there, set, for the 2 different ones. So then I will know that you had 2 buttons, 1 variable add, and 1 variable set. Scroll, site hide, and var hide. So that will help me a lot when you post it, and I can add it. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps, because I do not want to keep explaining to people how to use this. So consider liking the video, and maybe even subscribing. Thanks for watching, and bye.